lovelies, it's Erica with the Beauty Buff and welcome back to my channel. If you enjoy a channel full of beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, then subscribe below. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my future videos, and then give this video a thumbs up and comment down below and let me know if you enjoyed it or not. On this channel, we like to relax and let loose and just get away from the everyday grind. So if you will with me, take in a good deep breath, exhale, and let's get to this video. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you some items that I recently purchased. I have some makeup in, some accessories, so I just want to share those things with you. I'm going to start off showing you what I purchased from McGrath. So I did purchase her new Mothership Rose Decadence palette, and I purchased it from her site. I'll put the price below because I don't remember. I think they're usually maybe $65, but I'm not sure. I'll have to double check and then I will put that down below. It's a very pretty palette. It's just an extension of the Mothership 8, and it has like rosy gold, mauve, burgundy colors in there. So I'm going to be doing a few looks with this palette, so stay tuned to see those on my channel. Along with that palette, I also picked up the lip shine, and I purchased 3 of them. I purchased Bella Amore, New Venus, and also Temptress, and I'll put some swatches in this video along with it. The next items I purchased came from Couture. They came in a black box as well. And if you don't know, Couture is Mac Daddy's brand. He is a YouTuber as well, or influencer, and he started a makeup line. So this is him, and this is the card that came in. He has a palette out now. The most recent one is Caliente. So my products came very secure. They're in bubble wrap. And the first item is the Caliente palette. And it's plastic. And it has Couture. And it's like this ombre color. It goes from like a yellow, orange to a red. It's very pretty. And then here are the colors on the inside. So this is his summer palette. It has very vibrant colors in there, some yellows, pinks, some bright coral oranges, and then it also has like this like a tannish rust color, but they look really pretty. And that palette was $30. The next item I purchased is the Supreme Nudes by Artist Couture, and I know this palette has been out for a while. It's been like in stock, out of stock, and so I got it this time around when it came back in stock. And this is how it looks. It has plastic as well. And then this is just like a nude palette. It has tan colors, bronze colors, dark brown, green, and that's how that looks. And I'm pretty sure you've seen the Artist Couture, the nude palette as well. But I'll be doing looks with all three of these palettes, like the Pat McGrath, the Artist Couture. I'll be doing looks on my channel with those palettes. And then I also purchased one of his lipsticks in Saucy Gal. It came like this, very sleek. It has black gold down here. And then that is the color. Feels very creamy. It's like a nude color. So it's like a nudish color, more on the brownie side, like the peachy side. But I can't wait to do some looks with those and let you know what I come up with. So I'm not sure if you all have been watching the different runway shows from the different designers, but this season chains are going to be really in. So like chain details, like chain necklaces, link earrings, different things like that. And then I saw this purse on Farfetch, came packaged like this. And so I purchased an item from Yuzefi. I think that's it, if I'm not butchering the name. Came in here. And then it's this purse. It has chain detailing, wear it like this. And then it also has a longer strap that you can wear like crossbody or over your shoulder. And it's two-toned. It's like this ivory color and then like this tannish kind of orange, leaning orange color, like a dark orange or rust. And then the chain has some gold and then silver detailing. So I thought this would be very stylish this season, being that chain detailing is in. So I thought this was very cute. It opens like this. Has like a magnet there. And then you open it. And that's the inside. So it's pretty roomy. You can put like your phone, you can put a makeup bag in here, a little small wallet. But I'm like a smaller bag type girl anyway, unless it's like a tote. Or I have a few satchels that I like, but it's my type of bag. And it's leather. And I'll put the pricing down below in the description box. So that's it for all the items that I purchased. I hope you enjoyed the different makeup items and the accessory that I showed in this new in haul. Comment down below and let me know if there's any particular looks you want to see with a particular palette. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my future uploads. And as always, thank you for spending a part of your day with me, and I hope to see you in my next video.